Hey everyone, welcome to the polymer clay jewelry tutorial. So this is the tutorial for you if you have purchased either one of the jewelry kits from the studio. So we had the pastel one and then we had the monsters and jewelry kit. I wanted to do a quick little tutorial here to show you guys how you can use your polymer clay as well as all of the little jewelry attachments that come in your kit. So what you're going to find inside your kit, I'll use the pastel one as an example. I have all of my cubes of pastel polymer clay. This kit also includes two of the sparkle polymer clays. So there's the ivory and the darker blue that have a bit of a shimmer to them. And you're also going to find inside your kit two jewelry attachments. So they are going to be a different variety depending on which kit you get. So no two kits have the same jewelry attachments. So you're going to find little bits and pieces that look something like this. So this one is a little bobby pin with a little space at the top here to attach your clay creations. You might find some of these guys in there. This is a loop pin. So this one's going to be used to make a little pendant necklace. You may find a ring mount. So this is sizable. You can squeeze it or extend it for the size that you need. And then it has a space at the top here to attach your polymer clay creations. You might find some of these little guys. There's a variety of these little attachments. This one has a little clip on it and comes with a charm pin. So you'll be able to make your charm and then you can attach it and detach it. So this one you can change out the charms. So if you had more than one, you could swap it out or you could add a couple onto this keychain. There also are a set of these guys that have just a screw or a pin in the end. So that means they're not interchangeable. Once you attach the charm, then it's just attached for forever, basically. So what I'm going to do is just show you how you can work with some of these elements. So if you're working with the pastel kit or with the rainbow kit, it's all going to work the same way. With these guys, you can create your little monsters, and I have a little example here that I created the other day. So this little guy has not been baked yet. So when you are pushing in the pans or doing any of that kind of stuff, you want to make sure you do it before you bake them. So I'm going to make this guy into a little charm. So I am going to take the pin with the little loop at the end, and I'm going to press it down through the top all the way in to my little sculpture. If you can see he's got the little loop at the top of his head there. Okay, so I'm just going to press in around it just to make sure that it's in there really secure. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bake that with the pin in it. And then once they come out, you're going to bake them for 275 for about 20 minutes. This guy's pretty thick, so I'm probably going to bake him for about 30 to 40 minutes just to make sure that it's good and solid. If you find that you didn't get your pin really solid stuck in there, you can add a little bit of crazy glue after you've baked it just to make sure that it's in there really good. And then I will be able to attach my little charm to it. Okay, and there he is. Super cute. Okay, so now with the, whoop, we lost an antenna. With any of these little guys that have the little mount on them, so you can see there's a little space here to mount your clay creations. You can build and create really anything to attach onto these. So what I always tell people is to take your polymer clay and you're going to create whatever it is you're going to create. Okay. And then you want to make sure that you create a space. So I'm just going to take my clay before it's fired and I'm just going to press the ring mount into it. Okay. And because this is metal, you could bake it right on there. or you could bake it separate and then just attach it after with a little bit of crazy glue, and it will sit on there really nicely. Okay. And the same goes for this guy that has a little mount on it, so you can work with the mount. Okay, create what you're going to create. Okay, have it attached on there, and then you can bake it, or you can bake it separately and then give it a little crazy glue just to make sure that it's really on there super, super good. Okay, so that is the jewelry kits. So like I said, each kit is going to have a different little attachment. So you can see that this guy has the little keychain attachment, and that one, again, you just press into the top and it just secures on the top just like that. Super fun. So those kits are now available on our website. So have fun creating, you guys.